I will make money for you, for free. No subscription, no obligation, no credit card required. Let me show you how to get our services for free in just 5 minutes. 1. Go to verobots.net. And choose your language. 2. Click Register. Fill in the form. Now you're logged in. 3. Click Activate Free Demo. This demo will help increase your income for free for the next 7 days. Fill out the form with a name for your agent and your website domain. Congratulations! You've just created your own virtual agent. The agent will access your website to learn about your business, products, and services. This process usually takes about 20 minutes. 4. While the agent is learning, you should customize how it will appear on your website. If you run into any issues, you can always contact us on WhatsApp for help. 5. Click Customize your widget. Then click Create Custom Widget. 6. Enter a name for the widget and set the options you want. You can always come back later to improve the customization. 7. Next, choose whether you want your website to also become an app that people can install. If yes, customize those settings here. Then click Save. 8. Now click Get Code to obtain the embedding code you need to add to your website. Send this code to the person who manages or hosts your website. You can also contact us on WhatsApp and we'll help you with this step. 9. After the code is embedded on your website, go to the My Agents page to check whether your agent has finished learning about your business. If the agent is still learning, you'll see a message saying so. When it finishes, you'll see the available action buttons. That's it. For the next 7 days, your agent will help increase your sales, 100% free. If you're satisfied with the extra income, you can keep using the agent for only 50 euros per month. What should you expect to see on your website? A chat window like this. It will answer questions and provide pre-sales and post-sales support. An Install App button. This lets customers install your website as an app on their phones and computers so they can access you faster without opening a browser. Use the support page to watch more videos. These videos will show you how to view conversations between your agent and your visitors and how to improve your agent's knowledge and appearance. Thank you for watching Verobots.